The best trade idea right now would probably be man, if it reached for this stop loss, fuck these markets.
But with that being said, I want to announce that I'm going to be partnering with.
Good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. And today's Friday. Feels good right now, just on the balcony, getting ready to trade, getting ready to really have my day 100% start. I wake up maybe an hour before I actually trade just so I can shower, just so I can get my brain working, so I'm not just hopping straight on the charts. Even though I've done that for a good amount of years, I'll just wake up and then hop on the charts within 5 minutes. It's not beneficial. I like to get my brain ready. I like to be able to get this recording, even though it's foggy as shit right now. Florida humidity ain't no joke, but I love it. That's why we're here. But right now we got about maybe 5 minutes before I hop on the call with the team. It looks like Kino's actually here today. He wasn't here for the last couple of days, so the call did start at 9 o'clock. So we got about maybe 30 people already there waiting. But 9:30 is when I come to the charts personally. So if you want to join the VIP Trader Network, come around 9:30. That's around when I come. If you want to come earlier, perfectly fine. There will be people there to give value. So with that being said, let's hop straight on the charts. Let's see if we can get some money today. All right, let's see. We got about 34 people in there. Let's hop on in this. Oh yeah. Looking like Friday might be a no trade day at this point. Shit. Like, I think the best trade idea right now would probably be 30 if it were to retrace to the 1 hour gap. The 1 hour gap is it's not the same on NAS. That 1 hour gap is damn near at the high. Like, the 1 hour gap is right here. I'm cool if I buy it like that. I don't buy that high. But I think if 30 gives a retracement, I'm still looking for longs. I just don't got an entry for longs. It's the only trade idea I've had for the day so far. So if it's an L, I'm cool with the risk. Not risking too much. I'm in on the challenge, in on the funded. Worst case scenario is 1 L for the day. Best case scenario, 1 W for the day. But we shall see. Kino had caught longs. I'll take a little sum. That little reaction. It's giving me a little bit of confidence. Giving me a little bit. Yeah, price is struggling. We got NAS fully reversed, crazily enough, and then the dollar also fully reversed to start pushing. So what that means for US 30 may be iffy, but the trade idea itself is valid, so that's all I can go off of. Can't go off anything but price, so we shall see. Man, if it reached for this stop loss, fuck these markets. About to be 1040, we still waiting. Yeah, this is looking like the final grounds of drawdown. I don't think this is gonna try to go back in profit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Today was just like yesterday. Slow and shitty, bro. We had a great trade idea. Like, the trade idea I took on US 30 was amazing. I had no reason to believe that that trade wasn't gonna play out. Zero. Trust me, it was amazing. We had a push higher at 9 o'clock, retraced at 9:30, going to 10 o'clock to the 1 hour for value gap, 4 hour for value gap. We were holding it and everything. And price died off. Continued to die. You're not gonna win every trade. It's very unfortunate because this was a trade that followed my rules, followed everything. I risked what I was supposed to. I actually risked less than I was supposed to, just because it's Friday and it's been shitty in general. I risked less than I was supposed to. Took a beautiful trade, was patient, only took one trade. It still didn't play out. The trade ended probably like 3 minutes ago. I also ended the VIP Trader Network because we're not gonna stay on the charts and try to watch something that we're not in. It just doesn't make sense. It's only gonna give us FOMO, so we're gonna get the rest of the day started. My girl doesn't have work today, so we're gonna go on an adventure. Don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna enjoy the day, stay productive. And yeah, besides the gym, being active in VIP, trading, and just getting all this content created, we're just gonna be enjoying the day. And I'll show you what it's like to live life as an entrepreneur, full-time day trader. Kind of Luna's trip, she didn't even wear her bathing suit. I got mine, but we'll probably get a little bit wet. We got Luna though. Luna's in the back chilling. Oh yeah, first time to the real beach. She's been to like other like doggy beaches, but this is like the first actual beach that she's been to, and I think she's gonna enjoy it. Yeah, been in. So I guess she's been to a beach before, just not actually in the water. But she hasn't been to this beach. We about to go in there. We're probably gonna get food or something too. I don't know how long we'll be here, but it's not too sunny either, but that's kind of good because now she might not actually overheat. Hold on, girl. Sit. Good girl. Hold on, I'm about to put my mic on the glasses. Now that's mic on the glasses, kind of A1. I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's go to the beach, girl. Girl, this sand is hot. Yo, right now, it looks like she had a blast, but I'm in the car. My girl's getting a smoothie. She's inside right now. I would have went in with her, but we got this mutt in the back. But I think she had fun. I had fun. It was hot as shit. We were only there for probably a little bit. But right now, if we look at the time, 2:22:22. Probably added another 2, but fuck it. Right now, we're about to take her back to the crib. I'm going to shower and everything. We're going to get ready. We're going to go get some food. This smoothie is just because we can't go out to eat because of her. I wanted to get food by the beach. She didn't want to. She's not here, but she ain't want to eat food with her right there. And it's all good. So I'm going to take her back. And that's really it. After a losing day, it is what it is. One trade L. The market hasn't really done much afterwards anyway, so it is what it is. We come back next week, and I'm probably going to try to get a couple new challenges because the 100K challenge, I ended up failing in that one because, as you guys know, I risk about $1,000 per trade. I lost 2 trades 2 days ago. Yesterday, I won a trade, and then I lost another trade today, so that was just the 3 trades. It is what it is. You guys got to understand, when you're trading these challenges, you're either trading it to pass the challenge, or you're going to trade it as you would trade the actual funded. It's 2 different ways. I'm not going to spend a month, 2 months on a challenge that I don't really care for when I have the money to put into a live account or I already have my funded account. It just doesn't make sense. I'd rather just spend the $100, try to pass it in a couple days, add it to the list. And if I don't, on to the next. As long as we got the fundeds, that's all that matters. So with that being said, she came over for a little, she wanted to say what's up, but we just going to eat these smoothies. We just going to drink these smoothies. I'll probably show it to you once she gets over here. We're going to go back to the crib, get some food. From there, not sure, but it is what it is. I ain't gonna lie, this workout is killing me, but I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm doing with VIP just because the trading week's about to be over. So talking about trading in the charts right now at this moment on a Friday night really isn't going to be beneficial to me. And I'm not going to sit here and try to do anything that is out of my way. These videos are showing you my life. These videos are being realistic and showing you what it's like to be an entrepreneur at 21, full-time trader, all of that. And one of the things that I'm doing with the VIP Trader Network, which is one of my businesses, as you guys know, they probably gonna try and copyright me. So I'm gonna walk over here. I'm not about to get me on this video. I gotta walk away from all this music. Damn, it's everywhere. All right, well, it looks like I'm going like right over here. So I think this is probably like the best area when it comes to the music and it comes to the lighting. Look at his body. I'm not crazily in shape, but we getting there. But just one thing I just started doing with VIP, I just started an affiliate program. So essentially anybody that's inside the VIP Trading Network, all the members, if you're able to get people, if people come to you asking about your trading, how you're making money, ask about the community, if you give them your affiliate link, you will get 50% of the monthly revenue. I think that's a win-win. So essentially, the reason I thought of that, I had to be Friday when I came up with this idea. But essentially my thought process with this was that if I can get people to get paid for being inside of VIP, if I can teach them how to trade, which will make the money, if I can teach them how to also build a brand around themselves so that they can bring people into the group, and also just incentivizes them to give value in the community. Because one thing that is just, I got to be honest with trading, it takes time, and that's something I've always told you guys. You're not going to join the group and immediately start making money. You can join a group. You can join the group and immediately start winning trades. Yes. You can join the group and immediately pass a challenge. Yes. But that doesn't mean you're going to have the skill set or the experience required to do it consistently. So with this, if you're able to build another skill set while you're learning, that will also pay for the VIP membership. The sky's the limit. I'm telling you, I'm going to make these people millionaires with both trading, and I'm going to be able to build them second incomes. I'm giving them half the money. I'm not doing it for the money. That's what you guys gotta understand. I'm doing it for the value. I know if I can change these people's lives, I'll make that money 10 times over. That's what you guys understand. Like with these videos, the only reason you're watching this is because of the value I've given to you for free. It's part of the process. I might not get the results I want at this moment, but that's why we in the gym. We gotta work every day, 1% better every single day. I don't care how long it takes, the results are gonna show. But yeah, I'm about to finish this workout, about to hit these push-ups. Job's not finished. I'm about to head to the crib, and I got to record this contract signing video that you guys are more than likely going to be seeing this weekend, either tomorrow or Sunday. Not sure which day it will be up, but stay tuned. My life is changing. I'm going to change yours with it.
But with that being said, I want to announce that I'm going to be partnering with. All right, so I probably just showed you guys maybe a little clip or two. I don't know. Probably showed you something, but I just signed the contract and everything. So we are officially partnered with a certain somebody. I'm not going to say the name. You'll have to watch tomorrow's video for that. Sorry, I'm going to leave it on a cliffhanger. But with that being said, that was today. Today's trading, we took one L. It is what it is, and it was an L on the funded account. It is what it is. We did fail that challenge. It is what it is. I was risking $1,000 per trade. That's only 3 trades. It was bound to happen if I lost 3 trades. And I didn't lose 3 in a row. I lost a trade, won 2, lost 1, lost another one. It was something like that. I don't know the exact row, but we're just going to move on. There's no point in dwelling on the past. We just got to move on. Stay focused on our goals. Don't dwell on it. Learn from it. Learning from it is very important. If you don't learn from it, then it happened for no reason. Learn from it, reevaluate, move on. I'm probably going to buy new challenges like I told you. I don't know if I'm going to buy 1 or 2. We're going to see. But hopefully the conditions are better. That's one thing I hope. But we're going to stay productive at the end of the day, get some content made, change lives, give value, and just do what we do every single day, staying focused. So with that being said, stay productive. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. This is where our life changes. This is where the team reaches new levels. This is where everything just changes. I'm excited to say it. I'm excited to feel it. Excited to do it. Hope you guys are too. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Make sure you stay safe and you stay motivated by the fear of being average.